So today I decided I was gonna dry brush some weathering onto this Cologne Trooper, so this is how I did it. The colours I used for this were just black and some different shades of brown. And I'm quite pleased with the result. I think it looks nice.